Oh wait. Fuck. God damn it. I fucked up.
What'd you do?
Forgot Smite.
Who is this?
Wiz Khalifa. Doesn't sound like him at all. He just sounds like shit.
I wouldn't know.
Bro, I can't assist you right now. I have like... Dude, I'm gonna fucking... Ready? You ready for this? You ready for this fucking Wiffle Sniffle gank?
Dude, I just...
Wiffle Sniffle gank?
Fucked Vi right in the face.
Adventures of a duo top when fucking Rag goes jungle. He fucking forgets a goddamn smite because he's a fucking moron. Come closer, Riven. Come closer. Come closer, Riven. Oh my god, no way. Oh man, I thought it was gonna happen.
I thought it was gonna happen too. Hi, Felicia. This Rengar and Renekton getting back in the game. Oh, dude, get the fuck out of there.
I'm trying, bro.
Back the fuck.
Ooh, yo, focus her, focus her, focus her. Oh, get her, get her. That's a kill. Boom. Get a second. Get a second. Put it in his butt. Put it in. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it now. Do it now. She's gonna get it. She's gonna get the Wiffle Sniffler.
The Wiffle Sniffler. The dirty grandpa.
I might be able to pull the dirty grandpa off early this game, bro. Like, let her come out a little bit, and she's gonna get it, dude. Ready? Ready? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. The dirty grandpa. Here it is. Here it is. Ready? What you do is you flash, and then you get her, and then you get the dirty grandpa, and then you live, and then you live, and then you live, and then you, oh no! I know exactly who it is. I know exactly who it is. It's you. Oh, never mind, because you took my shit, but I got another kill off it. It's all good. It's all good. Nice. Nice. Pretty much we wreck. Like, that's...
Rengar. Hi, Felicia. And a Riven there. Come, baby
oh,
girl.
shit.
I'm coming. Keep going. No, to the right, to the right. Oh, no,
I
no,
can't.
It's over.
I can't. He already landed his Q, bro. There's nothing I can
You have slain the enemy.
I mean, it is what it is, you know.
Get in there. Stop him. Fuck him up. Get him. Okay, he gone. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, bro.
They're all in mid. Oh,
bro.
Oh,
Yep.
I'm gonna go cut him off. I'm gonna go cut him off.
Me too. I'm gonna be smart about it, though.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Get this Lee Sin. Alright, back off. Back the fuck off. Back the fuck off right now.
I'm trying to.
I can't let you die, baby girl. I can't let you die. Oh, you fucking KS. You KS and whore. I'm gonna fucking save you, bitch. I'm gonna fucking save you. Oh my god, what the fuck? What the fuck is that shit? Riven, the boy who dies.
Hi, Felicia.
Oh my god, dude, ready? Watch this Lee Sin get fucked.
Watch him.
Ready?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Keep running. Keep running it. Keep running
No,
it.
bro, hold on. I gotta, dude, you gotta wait. Ready? Hold on, I'm gonna sit here, and they're gonna come at me. Okay, now go. Now go. And I net Galio, and I kill him. Oh, fucking Riven. I'm gonna get you, don't worry. I'm gonna get you,
for that
Riven.
tower.
I'm gonna get you. Okay, go for the tower, because Riven's gonna think she's badass. And then, alright, you know what, dude? Just because you're prehistoric doesn't mean I won't fucking kill you. Got it. Oh, you took that kill!
Oh.
Motherfucker! God damn it! Oh.
Victory!
That fucking Rengar, though.